Let's test how can use Stillora. Stillora is transform static memories into special videos. Convert image to MP4 with your audio as you want. Okay. For example, if I have here media thing like image or video, I want to migrate together or add audio in it, you can use it. First, you have three steps: upload, media, audio if you want, it's optional, and export. It's very, very easy. Click here, you can add your media here. For example, let's click. It's your local media, okay? For example, we have this. Okay, we did it. It's okay. Okay, we added it here. It's now you can add other video and continue. We'll find it here. You can drag and drop it to order it. Each one have how many seconds? Five. You can edit it as you like. Okay. For example, I will do first one to be uh, 10 seconds. It's okay. It's done. Go. Here you can add your soundtrack if you have any MP3 or wave, okay, from your device. If not, I think I don't have here, okay. You can record voice here, okay. Now we need to introduce ourselves to social media. Stop. Use this record. It's now. This is okay. You can sound it, okay. And now you can let's back. Here I have assets, audio. I can see presets. This is a dimension of reel, TikTok, stories, YouTube shorts, anyone. Okay, I will use this and click fill or fit. I will be fit. Okay, I will be fit. It's okay. And now convert to MP4. This is video. Will be export. Okay. Here it's generated. It's local. Okay. And after finish, you can share it or use it as me like. Okay. It's very, very easy. You can convert and merge anything. For me, I get the image from AI, like ChatGPT, and voice from my voice or from any AI audio generator. After that, I merge it together and share it to social media. Okay, this is only. It's combination of audio because audio now it's very large. It's low machine. It's work in your device. It's not online. Your media safe. It's at your mobile. Take care about this for safety. It's done. Okay. Let's convert this. Let's go. It's now this video. Okay. You can save it to your roll. We'll find that. It's okay. Or can share to social media or to create another one. Let's create another one. You can see here this library. We can see this video. It's our voice. Okay. We converted. This is video plus audio. Okay. Plus image. We can integrate it both together. Okay. Let's use Stillora. It's available for iOS and Mac OS. Okay.